This article is about the student activism in the politics. In this article, the prominent politician Lalu Prasad says about the student politics. He says that student politics is not just element of a democracy. It is a lifeblood. He is saying, and he is also saying that students activism in the politics gives a new perspective, and also they are saying that these students can view the society with the clarity. Sometimes we politicians may tend to overlook, but students can see the society with clarity. He is also saying that, see, the small issues in the university campuses, such as issues with the food, issues with the transport, issues with the amenities. See, when students start fighting for these rights, so it will eventually change. It eventually change the his perspective and builds the leadership qualities. See, for us, the university problems may look smaller things, but for them it is a big issue. He's saying. So he is also saying that it is also saying that student see part. It also saying that students activism in the politics not only shape the future of the individual leaders, but he is also saying the future of the democracy. If students participation is more, if the students activism is more in the politics, he is saying that it is good for the democracy. So he's also saying that democracy thrives. He's saying that democracy thrives when it is nourished by wisdom, passion, and energy of the young minds. See, he's saying that for nourishing of the democracy, for development of democracy, the student activism, student participation is must. So he's also underlying the few issues. He's also underlying the few issues in the student activism and the politics. He's stating that the growth of communalism and the privatization of the education is privatizing of the education impacting the student activism. It is also reducing the access of the education to the marginalized sections. So he finally concluding saying that supporting and promoting student in politics is like invested in the future of our country and ensuring that our democracy remains strong. In order to remain our democracy strong and to have a smooth functioning, you need to invest, support and promote the student activism in the politics. And here Manish Tiwari saying that how post 1991 has changed the students activism in the politics. He's saying that, see, prior to 1991 there are instances, there were student agitations like 1965 anti-Hindi agitation in the south, and in 1967 anti-English agitation in the north. See, initially they were the linguistic one, but they have transformed into more pluralistic pluralistic agitation such as Navnirman Andolan. Saying example, he's giving the examples of Navnirman Andolan, and he's also giving the example of Sampurna Kranti protest. He's giving the examples of Sampurna Kranti protest. See, the last known student agitation is in 1990. It is against the Mandal Commission. See, nowadays after 1991, because with the globalization, liberalization, and the privatization, see, the student attitude has changed. Now, an average student thinks that it is waste of time to have it is waste of time to have the unnecessary activism in the politics. It is leading to the, see, it is leading to the, now it is a common thing. There is a bickering between the left and the right, but there is no political space for the center ideas, which is in between center and the right. So, and he's also saying that um, The fall of the communism led to the fall of the communism has led to the end of the ideological debate.